Hi, I am Hari Puravankara. I am the Chief Ideator of SiMask and LEVM. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We are showcasing our space satellite communication board here, which is an extremely complex architecture for narrowband IoT satellite communication, which can be meshed across multiple satellites. It's a complex system which can handle multiple interfaces from space wire to space fiber, multiple DDRs of various complexities, and it's one of the critical product we developed for Israeli aerospace. Along with NovelSat. NovelSat comes with the waveform, we comes with the hardware platform for that. So it's been one of a kind of innovation from India, where uniquely a company or a startup model from India managed to build it from the scratch, at a space grade, and everything is working fine. We are a deeptech semiconductor-to-system design company, where we custom design based on the spec from a customer, all the way from designing, prototyping, certification, all the way to contract manufacturing and supplying in volume against MOQs. How we differentiate against the standard SOM module is we design from the scratch specific for a customer across 4 verticals: automotive, defense, medical, and industrial automation. We have acquired global customers across these domains. In automotive, we define all the way from SDV stack to complex hardware infotainment cluster products. We have motor control architecture with our own field-oriented controllers. We have our own DC-DC converters from our own system, which are all integrated together. In industrial automation, we handle HVAC system. We export products to Daikin, where DNet HVAC protocol converter gateways we do. In medical system, we have designed India's largest selling glucometer at that point of time. It's a Grade B medical certified. It's been a very long journey for us. And in the space system, which I've already introduced, we're currently working on, and we have developed a satellite communication board for a global player in a LEO satellite constellation.